enough to do with kids and pets and projects and visitors and everything else. So why not worry about one less thing? The Bissell Clean View Vacuum with 1-pass makes cleaning fast and simple. Powerful suction and an innovative brush roll get that dirt the first time with one clean pass. And the Clean View Dirt Bin shows you the proof. The Clean View is lightweight and easy to carry, and so maneuverable you can get to all those hard-to-reach messes. And the Clean View Vacuum has other convenient features that make it even more effective, like built-in premium hose attachments for quick and handy cleaning anywhere. And cleanup is easy. The bottom empty dirt cup is built big, so you don't need to empty it every 10 seconds. You can manage cleaning on your own time with the washable pre-motor filter. Just follow simple directions to keep it clean to maximize performance and save you money. Bissell Clean View with 1-pass. You're in, you're out, you're clean, you're done.
To begin cleaning with your Dust Away hard floor attachment, you must first be in portable lift-away mode. Let's begin. So let's release the extension wand on the back of the canister. Next, let's release the canister from the motorized floor brush. Go ahead and put the Dust Away hard floor attachment on the end of the extension wand. Turn it on, and you're ready to begin cleaning.
Hi, sweetheart. Hey, Mom. Look at you. Your purple outfit and your bow.
Ugh, let's rewind. With the Hoover T-Series Rewind, it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, great on all floor surfaces with no loss of suction. Really get the dirt off the floor with more channels of suction. That's patented wind tunnel technology. So when you clean, do it right the first time with the Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series Rewind.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.